Hello people, welcome to the Econo Challenge Backcountry Meal Review. Today we're cooking breakfast. Today we're going to try peasant omelet with sausage, brought to us by Natural High. Now I know you guys love this when I do this, so let's try and give you the ingredients. Egg mix powder, whole egg, non-fat dairy milk, vegetable oil, non-fat milk powder, cooked sausage crumbles, diced potato, chopped onion, modified food starch, salt, flour, a couple of things I can't pronounce, fructose, parsley, and garlic granules. Sounds pretty good, actually. Now, for those of you who follow our outdoor cooking adventures on the Backcountry Meal Review, you'll know that we do not like to cook these prepared egg meals using the directions. They tell us to open pouch using the tear notch, remove and discard oxygen absorber, gradually add 1 cup cold water to contents and stir with a fork until smooth. Seal pouch and let stand for 10 minutes. And then scramble mix in a lightly greased pan over low heat. Ugh. We're going to try it our way, and we'll demonstrate again for you today. So in order to prepare these the way we like to prepare them, we need a large pot, and for that we're going to use the Big Breeze 2.0 that was given to us by Bushman of the Yukon. Now, he's not making them anymore, but if you were lucky enough to get one, you know how great this little stove is. So while that's boiling, we'll just get this package opened up here. Find that oxygen absorber. There we go. They don't taste very good. So to cook this way, what you need to do is pour the powder into the boiling water and mix it up as you go. I have to be very careful not to dump this while I'm doing that. Ooh. Just mix it up in the boiling water. They're not going to burn. And they're going to hydrate really nicely. See that? Alright. Get back to you in a minute. Now, don't worry about the extra water that's in there. Don't use it. If it doesn't absorb, you can just pour that off. But look at that. We got some nice eggs there, scrambled eggs, and they're not burned. Now, because I don't have a pot cozy for that pot, I'm going to transfer it into this container, which you've seen from the world famous cook kit. But first, we'll transfer our bacon in there. And I don't know if you've noticed, but we've started to get a little rain, so I'm trying to finish this process quickly. Put our eggs right on top of that. That's pre-cooked bacon, so it'll be nice and warm. Oops. And check that out. No burn, really easy cleanup cooking them this way. So now we can move under our shelter where we won't get wet and enjoy our meal. Okay, we're safely under the shelter here, not getting wet, and we're just waiting for this to finish hydrating, and then we'll give you a taste test. Okay, I'm hungry. Oh, it smells good. Let's see what we can do here. Some of those eggs. Look at that. Oh yeah, really good flavor. The little ham granules, I think they called them. A little bit more time, I think, to hydrate those. You can definitely taste the other flavors in there. The onion, the garlic. I'm going to give these a 7 out of 10. But if you add, pre-cooked bacon, it definitely takes this meal up to an 8. So, peasant omelet with sausage from Natural High, rated a 7 out of 10. Enjoy your scrambled eggs out in the wild. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Backcountry Meal Review. Bye for now. Oh, that's good.